In 1959, 9 experienced hikers vanished in the Soviet Union's Ural Mountains. When rescuers found their camp, the tent had been cut open from the inside, not unzipped. Cut. The hikers were gone. They'd fled into minus 30-degree temperatures, barefoot, in their underwear. Half a mile away, rescuers found the first bodies, hands burned from trying to start a fire with bare skin. The others were found months later when the snow melted. 2 had skulls fractured from the inside. 3 had broken ribs consistent with a high-speed car crash. No external wounds. Nothing had touched them. 1 woman was missing her tongue. The Soviet government classified the entire case immediately. The official cause of death was listed as a compelling unknown force. The files stayed sealed for 60 years. The mountain's name in the local language? Dead Mountain.